Just turned this off. We were right up there, went to the stairs. Such a cool view. I decided to turn it back on. The boat. I think you can kind of see. Oh, the moon's up there. The ocean is the back of the boat. It's over here, Holly. And down there, you can see Carnival Glory right there. Carnival Glory. Yeah, glory hole. Ha ha ha. I know. What you're thinking. Crazy. You can see the reflection. Right in the middle of the camera is where the water, and above that in the black is the sky. One star in the sky. Oh, there's more. Which is not that much. Not really.
What?
How many stars can you see?
Like a bunch.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch. It's
What's that way? Where the thing is pointing?
Oh yeah, there's a bunch. It's really not bright at all. You guys can't see them at home. Alright, well yeah, bye.